Hey. I just have a really quick question.
What the hell's going on?
I mean, I know what's going on, but like, what's going on? You know what I'm saying? As I've as I said before, that I work at a salon and I deal with the public all the time. So since this kind of, what we're calling a pandemic, breaks out, the salon as a whole, we deal with a bunch of people throughout the day. So we have closed. In March, this next week, we, as a group, were supposed to be flying to LA.
That's not happening anymore.
That's not happening. I have all of these outfits that I was gonna make a video about. Some that I purchased. A lot of it I made. Not made, but I like painted. And I'm just gonna show you what I was going to wear, like a lookbook. I spent so much time on these outfits that I wanted to show them. Day 1 of quarantine. We're here, and I can't do anything, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try on a bunch of clothes and film it. Let's get on to the video. Okay. This little Mindy here is just a cute little dress, it's from Shein. I think it was probably like $12 on their website. This was one of the outfits that I did purchase online. I just needed it. I had to have it, and it was super, super cute. So, and it's super comfortable, and it was like pretty cheap too. So like, I mean, I had to have it. So it's fine. It's fine. So this one is from Shein as well. The shirt, the little black shirt, is from Shein. My jeans are from Target, and they had that little copper band at the bottom of the jeans. I got them on sale. I think the shirt was probably like $6. The jeans were probably like $12. I'm a pretty inexpensive person. These cute little pumps are from forever ago, and they're like a knockoff, version of whatever expensive brand they were. So yeah, let's. Alrighty, My strawberry kisses. Alright, so I got these shoes, these white chunky shoes from Shein. I'm going to be bedazzling them because I thought they needed a little extra spunk, you know what I'm saying? So I got these from Shein. They were $22. They also came in like a light pink color. But I got them in white just because I wanted to bedazzle something that was white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Mod Podge. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's just like a glue base kind of thing. I'm going to put it with a brush with rhinestones. I'm going to use some craft store rhinestones that I'm bought from Michael's or something. So first I'm going to put all the glue around the outer edge and then kind of work towards the center of the shoe. But yeah, so we're going to start rhinestoning, y'all. Strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind. My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind. I'm falling head over toes.
That was so good.
What the Okay, here we are again with some light wash jeans from Goodwill. So these are some Levi jeans that I picked up for like $4. What I'm going to be doing to them is painting my astrological sign on one of the pockets. I am a Scorpio, so I'm going to be painting, tracing it out, and then painting it with white later. And adding some rhinestones, of course, you know. Just casual, you know, stuff.
Hi.
My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind. Boy, you're the top of my list. I'm falling head over toes. How you feel deep inside. Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
Hi.
My strawberry
Yep. Okay. Alrighty.
So these are how the astrological jeans turned out. Haha, get it? Get it? Anyways, so I painted the little like belt loops with the white paint. I just thought it added something little, something. And I paired it with just like this little white stringy top and a pink bandana from Claire's. Back at it again with another outfit from Goodwill. Yeehaw! These overalls I found at Goodwill, and then I painted the white stars on the one pant leg. I also made the type of belt out of safety pins, so like that was kind of cool. And then I also got that pink shirt and the bandeau also from Shein for literally $4. But yeah, it's great.
Hi.
My strawberry kisses.
Dang, it's been raining all day today. So, yeah, that was my lookbook / kind of
DIY.
I just kind of did this video kind of just for me and my sanity. Quarantine day number 1, you know, try on all your fun, cool outfits. I hope that this kind of took your mind off of what's going on for just a few minutes. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
Hi.
My strawberry kisses, I could fly